Gonna make some Disney face masks.
You don't know what to do.
No. If you're not already subscribed, please do make sure you subscribe to our channel because we make fun dorky videos every Sunday. And do throw a like and comment down below.
Right then, grab a sheet of paper each, and you need to grab one face mask that fits you well.
I found a mask that fits me.
We're gonna trace half of our mask, but we're gonna leave about half a centimeter to a full centimeter. So I'm gonna do the trace of the actual mask fully first.
And the cool thing is if you don't have a mask, there are templates online, so you just have to search like face mask template.
And then around the edge, this is gonna be, basically we'll sew there, but we'll cut here so you have a seam.
Marking it down with your name.
Cool, so that's my sheet. And then we'll do Tom's. And yours is gonna be just slightly bigger.
Jamie's gonna help out and do my one because if I have a funny feeling I would trace it terribly and ruin the mask. Cool thing about this as well is if you have a face mask already that like fits you really well or you're happy with, you can do what we're doing here and template it because we have ones that we like. But if you don't have one, as mentioned, like you can find like loads of templates online really easy. You can print out and cut out, so you're not lost.
Personally, I wear a face mask because my dad's a doctor and he's asked me to, so that's why I wear one.
Yeah, I wear one because my mum is also like very high risk and I want to try and keep things safe, and I appreciate that there are people out there as well who may be in a similar boat. And I want nothing, you know, I don't want to give someone the virus if I happen to have it, so wearing a face mask helps me keep other people safe as well.
But also, that will come back in my head eventually. Okay, got it. Also, we're in a position where we can wear a face mask. There's nothing that's stopping us from wearing a face mask, so might as well wear one. We do appreciate that not everyone can wear a mask.
You're so neat at outlining this. Tomo. I love the little Disney Mickey.
Got our template.
Now we're going to cut out the templates.
You're going to cut across that dotted line.
Jamie's gone to get a trash bag because in the time it took me to do one of those, she's done both of those. Found that wearing more colourful face masks makes people seemingly feel more comfortable around you when you're wearing face masks. We were wearing these grey, rather plain ones, and colourful, fun ones do seem to go down a lot better with people in public. There we go. Face masks cut out.
I've got this cute cat fabric. Look at them. I'm so excited.
So I've got these Toy Story fabrics I bought. Matching Woody and Buzz ones, which is really cool. I've got this cloud fabric from Hobbycraft, which is like a little natural for Toy Story.
Something to remember is we are going to cut out 4 pieces. When you do a piece, you have to do one this way and flip it over.
Outlining my fabric. It seems like I'm not doing much here, but the reality is Jamie is far better at crafts. Look at we got these ones in packs of, I think 5 from Hobbycraft. They come in like little quarts.
You don't want to say the word fat.
Oh, is it fat quarts?
They're called fat quarts.
Is that because like a fat stack of quarts? Because they come in a little stack like that. I also found in the middle of mine this little blue duck pattern that I'm donating to Jamie Joe because of ducks. You right there?
I do love a duck.
Okay, so now we have all the fabric cut out and Jamie is ironing them to make them work. It's cute, little fun pack ironing board. Does it have legs as well?
It does have legs. I have little clothes.
Yeah. Ironing, one of the few things I can do well in this project. All ironed and piled up. We just discovered the downside to my steaming frequently with the iron there. Here we have our piles of fabric ready to go, and Jamie's got her ones here.
First thing I'm going to do is take these pieces and I'm going to do a little seam with it turned inside out like that. first. And now I put these on top of each other like this. And we're gonna sew that seam. And we should have the inside of it. Now we're gonna sew it into this one. This is the arch just for the nose because it's a little bit more shallow. And we're gonna line this up so that it sews into the top part, but we don't want it to sew into this part. I'm going to trim off the excess. Now it's a bit like a pillowcase. So you want this to be one side that's showing the outside of your pillowcase, and this will be the other side. And we're just gonna sew this bit and the bottom bit and keep the two ends open.
Inside out.
Yeah, the size bit's a little bit tricky because you don't want to rip it, but it just goes through like that.
Ooh, and like magic, it's the cats.
Yay.
Well, it's such a cute mask.
Oh, his ear's in the middle there. Oh no. Then we insert the elastic like so.
Jamie's mask is good. Oh, that looks so cool. How's it feel?
Good.
Looks really cute.
Thank you.
Oh, that looks so cool. Here's my Toy Story mask. Double-sided, Woody and Buzz. It's really cool. And when I wear it,
Looks really good.
and the inside has blue clouds and also some sun that kind of like goes in with the cowboy theme, so I'm very happy with it. And Jamie, here's Jamie's adorable one. Look at the cute little cats. And Jamie mentioned the one little cat where his ear is kind of just popping out there. It's so adorable.
Yeah.
And then on the inside, Jamie's like a nice little fabric with these little paper airplanes.
These are to put in those replacement fabric filters, if you'd like to.
So we got the option. Here we go. So here are Dorky face masks. These are so fun.
I like them.
Thank you for making this. I'm saying that's Jamie because Jamie literally sewed the whole thing and she's the best.
I like these a bit better than the three-fold ones because if it's flat against your face on the side.
Yeah, I have a 3-fold one I ordered online. And the 3-fold one, it's nice, but you just feel like baggier. Whereas this one feels a lot more snug.
It fits along your nose as well, like without having to be the wire.
There are templates online if you guys want to make your own face masks and have some fabric. There are also various other tutorials online, so please do look into videos where they're more in-depth in tutorials.
Yeah,
this is just a very loose, us making face masks, but also hopefully encouraging you to go and get a face mask or wear a face mask, because please, if you can, do wear a face mask. It's very, very important to everyone in this whole thing.
And I can say that because my dad's a doctor.
Yeah.
So
do it for Jamie's dad, Jim the doctor,
honestly,
do it.
I just want to be able to see him again. That's the
Yeah.
only thing, because he's in America. We can't travel to America.
With the recent second wave and rise in America.
But this is a cute mask.
It's so adorable.
You can do the same.